Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Exploring AWS Billing API with Python, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Amazon Web Services, AWS, offers a billing API that allows users to programmatically access detailed billing information, which is invaluable for monitoring and managing AWS costs efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of accessing AWS billing data using Python and the AWS SDK. Prerequisites. Steps. Set up AWS Credentials. Ensure you have configured AWS Credentials either by setting environment variables or using AWS CLI, AWS Configure. These credentials should have permissions to access AWS billing data. Install Boto3. Boto3 is the AWS SDK for Python, which provides an easy-to-use interface to interact with AWS services. Create a Python script. Let's create a Python script to interact with the AWS Billing API. Open your favorite text editor or IDE and create a new file named aws_billing.py. Import Boto3. In your Python script, import the Boto3 library. Access billing data. Initialize the Boto3 client for AWS Cost Explorer. Define query parameters. You can query billing data based on various parameters like time range, granularity, filters, etc. For example, to get the total cost and usage for the current month. Adjust the time period and granularity according to your requirements. Process the response. Once you receive the response from the AWS Billing API, you can extract and process the data as per your needs. For example, to print out the total cost and usage for each service. Error handling. Implement error handling to handle exceptions gracefully. Run the script. Save the Python script and execute it from the command line. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've explored how to access AWS billing data using Python and the AWS SDK. By leveraging the AWS Billing API, you can programmatically monitor and manage your AWS costs effectively, enabling better cost optimization strategies. Experiment with different query parameters and data processing techniques to suit your specific requirements. ChatGPT. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the AWS Billing API to retrieve and analyze billing information programmatically using Python. The AWS Billing API provides a way to access detailed billing data for your AWS account, enabling you to monitor, analyze, and manage your costs. AWS account. Ensure you have an active AWS account with the necessary permissions to access the AWS Billing API. AWS CLI installation. Install the AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, by following the instructions at AWS CLI Installation Guide. Boto3 installation. Install the Boto3 library, which is the official Python SDK for AWS. You can install it using pip. Before interacting with the AWS Billing API, configure the AWS CLI with your AWS credentials. Open a terminal and run the following command. Enter your AWS access key ID, secret access key, default region, and output format as prompted. Now, let's create a Python script to interact with the AWS Billing API. The script will use Boto3 to make API requests and retrieve billing information. Save the Python script and run it using the following command. Replace script_name.py with the actual name of your script. The script will retrieve billing data for the specified time period and print the blended cost, unblended cost, and usage quantity for each group. That's it. You have successfully created a Python script to interact with the AWS Billing API and retrieve billing information for analysis. You can further enhance the script to perform custom analyses based on your specific needs. ChatGPT. Sure, I can provide you with a basic example of how you can use the AWS Billing API with Python. The AWS Billing API allows you to programmatically access your AWS cost and usage data. Note that you'll need to have the necessary AWS credentials to access this information. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with code examples. You'll need the Bot03 library to interact with AWS services. Install it using. Make sure you have your AWS credentials configured either by setting up environment variables or using the AWS CLI. If you don't have the AWS CLI installed, you can configure your credentials in your code using Bot03. Create a Python script, example AWS_billing.py, with the following code. Execute the script using. This script fetches AWS cost and usage data for the specified time period and prints the results. Adjust the start_date and end_date variables according to your requirements. Remember that the IAM user associated with your AWS credentials should have the necessary permissions to access the AWS Cost Explorer API, CE get cost and usage. Update your IAM policies accordingly. This is a basic example to get you started. Depending on your use case, you may want to customize the script to suit your specific requirements. ChatGPT.